Welcome to the tutorial on manage schedules and follow. In this tutorial, we will see how a user can define a schedule to send this pinboard or specific visuals in this pinboard in the format of PDF to the users or groups. And also, we will see how a user can follow this specific pinboard. Click on this elliptical icon, click on manage schedules, click on schedule. Select the interval from the available options. Select weekdays, hour, minute. Provide a name for the schedule. Description. Type is CSV or PDF. Let's select PDF. Configure the layout options, whether we want the whole pinboard or we want some specific visuals. If we want some specific visuals, we can select by checking or unchecking these boxes. Want the pinboard, select the pinboard, landscape or portrait mode, and save. And if the user wants to add a condition, just like how it has been defined here, sum of revenue greater than 100. Similarly, if we have a measure in our data set, and if we want to give a threshold value and if we want to receive some updates on this or notification on this pinboard once that threshold has been crossed, we can provide those conditions here. And select the user or the group and select a specific user. And if we want to add the mails also, we can add the mail IDs. If those domain names of the mail ID has been whitelisted, a mail will be sent to that specific user. And click on schedule. Now the schedule has been created. And similarly, if we want to follow a specific pinboard, we can create this follow option and then select the interval, just like how we selected in schedule, and save. And then based on that schedule defined, once we follow, we will be getting updates on that regular basis. This concludes the tutorial on manage schedules and follow. In our next tutorial, we will see how a user can explore more on a specific visual or the pinboard, and how a user can dig deeper to find insights from those guided suggestions which is provided in PurpleCube. See you there.